Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can start a private server on Roblox on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go to the game library, right here you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. As you can see guys, right here in the left you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. Right here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search. Right here you're gonna find settings, and lastly you're gonna find your profile icon right here. So basically guys, right now if you want to join a private server on Roblox, firstly go ahead and click on Roblox to open it, and then just wait for it to load. Just wait for it. It will take some time to open the game, and then once the game is opened you're gonna be right here as you can see guys. So basically guys, this is how the homepage looks like in Roblox. Here you're gonna find home, avatar, and lastly right here you're gonna find connect. So just go ahead and click on the home page, and then right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find a lot of available modes. So basically guys, if you want to join a private server or a private game, right here you're gonna find your friends. You can just click on them if they are online and already in a mode. You can just join them. You're gonna find the option to join them. Also right here in the top you're gonna find connect if you want to search for a friend. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.